Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do another leaf blower review. Now I wrote this stuff up so you guys can get a better idea. I'm not that great at doing these, but you know what? It's a real review, so thanks for watching anyways. All right, this is the powerful Black Max and the model number is the BM25ABVNM leaf blower. That's a lot. Anyways, are you tired of spending hours clearing your yard of leaves and debris? Look no further than the Black Max BM. I'm not even gonna keep saying that. Anyhow, you know what I'm talking about. Guys, this is a very neat little leaf blower, okay? It's portable, it's handy. You can carry it around to do like small jobs. As you guys know, I don't know if you follow my channel or not, I did a review on a backpack leaf blower and that one's great, okay? It's great. However, sometimes you just gotta get a couple of small leaves here and there cleaned up and you need something that's a little bit handheld. Again, this video is not professional whatsoever, but let's try to do the best we can, okay? Anyways, let's talk about performance. With its 2-cycle engine, this leaf blower delivers exceptional power, effortless... see, I'm tripping over my words. I wrote this down, by the way. Effortlessly clearing leaves, grass clippings, and even small twigs. The variable speed throttle control allows for precise adjustments, making it suitable for both light-duty and heavy-duty cleanup jobs, okay? Not so much heavy-duty, but light-duty, definitely. I was impressed by its ability to tackle large piles of leaves with ease, saving me valuable time and effort. Design. The ergonomic design of the Black Max BM25ABVNM, holy crap, ensures that comfortable handling during prolonged use. The padded handle minimizes vibrations, reducing fatigue and allowing for extended operations without discomfort. Additionally, the lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles and reach tight spaces in my yard. Let's talk about durability. Constructed with high-quality materials. I just got a text message. Thank you very much. God, this is so horrible. Constructed with high-quality materials, this leaf blower feels sturdy and durable. I appreciate the robust build, knowing that it can withstand frequent use and rough handling without compromising performance. The engine starts reliably with each use, and the maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly design. Noise level. One of the standout features of the Black Max BM, I'm not even going to say that again because why, its relatively quiet operations compared to other leaf blower in its class. While it still emits some noise, it is significantly quit texting me. It is significantly quieter than other gas power models, making it more pleasant to use in residential areas without disturbing neighbors. Overall, the Black Max leaf blower has exceeded my expectations in terms of performance, design, durability, and noise level. It has become an indispensable tool in my yard maintenance arsenal, allowing me to keep my outdoor space clean and tidy with minimal effort. I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a reliable and efficient leaf blower. I bought this back in 2022, late 2022, early 20, something like that. I forget. It's been in my hands about a year now. I decided to do a review on it because it starts right up. You know, I bought it at Walmart. I think it's like around $146 right now or something like that. But when I got it, it was on clearance. I got it for like $60. I was like, hell yeah, I'm buying this bad boy right here. So now I'm gonna let you listen to it, and then, you know, the rest is what it is. So yeah, let's keep going. Now you might be thinking, you know what, this doesn't seem that great. Guys, it does do a great job. I just have some leaves left over. I did the majority of my cleanup obviously earlier during the year, but I mean, look at it, it's moving them nice and easy. I mean, again, I'm not being paid for this. The company does not pay me at all. If they would, I would definitely take the money, but I'm not being paid for this. I just really like to share when I come across a great product, and this is a great product in my opinion. Not the greatest. Maybe somebody will say, hey, this one's way better. Probably, but I'm not here to argue with you guys. I'm just showing you this review. Hopefully you like it. You know what? If you do, great. If not, hey, you know, everybody has got their own choices, I guess, and their own likings. So guys, this is pretty much it. I know that this is not the most professional review you've ever seen, but I just wanted to, like, you know, keep it honest and just keep it real. If you appreciate that, great. Please follow my channel or like and subscribe, I think it is. I don't know what it is nowadays. Just, you know, if you want to keep seeing more of these, I'm gonna try to do more. Yeah, like my channel, follow my channel. I don't know, but anyways, thanks guys. I'll try to be more professional going forward. But yeah, thank you. Bye bye.